Alright, so we've got a System 6A, excuse me, MPU and driver board. This one's actually set up for firepower. So this thing came in, it had a bit of rework that was already done. So the sockets were already replaced here, all 6 of them. They replaced the two 6810 sockets as well as the 6802. It was not modified for the 6802 though, so we went ahead and did that. We took off the alteration there for the 2732 that was on the front side of the board and put it onto the back side. And then also I'll include a few pictures here as well in the video of what we did. We had a trace here that was ran on the back side of the board, so I went ahead, fixed that trace, removed the bodge wire on the back, and then also had to put an eyelet in here for the 6802 processor. I was chasing my tail quite a bit on it, and then finally decided, I was like, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and check the work that was previously done, and sure enough, that's you know, what the main issue was with this board. But we went ahead and redid the sockets here for all the ROMs, redid the socket here for the 6802, or I'm sorry, for the 6802 and the 6810, and then also put the 5101 in a socket and replaced all the .156 headers, as well as on the driver board. All .156 headers have been replaced. Both male and female 40-pin header had been replaced as well by myself. Those were original whenever it came in. We had an issue there with the displays, which actually was the lamp PIA here. So we went ahead and pulled that, put a new socket in it, and a new 6821. And then powering up, we actually had 4. They weren't totally locked on, but you could definitely see that LED emitting light from these 4 transistors. So we went ahead and replaced those. We also had one here in the special solenoids as well that was doing the same thing. Replaced that, and as well as the filter capacitor here. So go ahead and get this thing powered up. So I don't have batteries connected. I've already talked to the client. He's going to install NVRAM. But we've got the lamp matrix dancing here, and the only coil that's locked on is the coin lockout, and you'll see a flasher every now and then. So go ahead and throw this into test, and we've got our displays going, and then into all the lamps, and then work our way over here to this solenoids. And I need to get these swapped out for the colored lens as well, because this one is awfully bright. And that'll go out finally. And special solenoids. These are switch triggered here as well. And those are all working. And last test here is going to be switch test. And so we'll go through diagonally, testing both rows and columns at the same time. And the last switch in firepower is switch 58. Got a lot of switches on that game. So everything is good to go here. I'd set it up for free play, but we don't have NVRAM installed on it yet, and actually have to power cycle to get out of audits. But everything is 100% ready to go. I appreciate you sending it. Thank you so much.